Alright guys, so we have this 2025 new updated refresh RAM. Believe we are the first ones, I could be wrong. We're offering now the switchback bulbs for the front turn signal. As you guys can tell, when the lights are on, it'll be white. When you put your turn signal, it'll flash amber. We also offer an all amber look for people that want an all amber. So when, for example, now that's white, it'll be dim amber. And when you put your turn signal, it'll be a bright amber. As far as the bulbs that we use for this, the part number is T-7443D-CK. This is using a CK socket, so please remember, if you order from the website, it's a CK socket, not a standard socket, CK. Alright? Now, as far as the install, I do advise you, this is a very tight fit on this new updated version. On the 24 and down RAMs, it was a simple install, 5 minutes and you're done. This is a tighter fit. Most of the guys here couldn't do it with their bare hands. We had to use some tools to grip the bulb, some vice grips or some pliers to just grip the socket and turn counterclockwise. So I do advise you, it is a bit of a challenge. I would say out of 10, it's probably a 8 as far as how hard it is to lock it in. But just take your time and you could knock it out. I'll show you guys the install. From there, best way to see where is your turn signal. Here's the turn signal housing. Just follow it straight back, go down, and you're gonna feel a particular, like a flat panel here. Down here, that's the socket right there. Again, if you have small hands, you can probably do it. Like right here, I have a good grip. You could probably take it out, but I had just loosened it before using these right here. So it might be that's the reason why I managed to take it out. It's probably wiggle it out. There you go. That's the bulb you want to take out. Again, T3-7443D-CK. That's the bulb you need. Here's how our bulb looks compared to the factory bulb. We already did that side. That side is a lot easier than this side. This one, due to its space, it's harder. So now just grip the bulb. Put in here. Always save your original bulbs. I always tell people save them. You never know when you might need them. Just keep them as spares. So here's the tricky part. You can plug it in 2 ways. There we go, that's in. Now, moment of truth. Let's see if the flasher is working. Alright guys, so it's not working. What you want to do now is take the bulb out again. So let me take it out. Unplug it. Rotate it 180. Reconnect. And then the camera can show the front of the headlight. There you go. As you guys could tell, you go the 2 ways. One is correct, one is incorrect. First time was incorrect, now we got it correct. So let me put the hazards on and you guys will see that it's flashing. Alright guys, well that sums up the install on this particular 25 RAM 1500. As you guys can tell, it's not as easy. It is somewhat hard, but just take your time, you could knock it out. A little patience. Everything is LED. That's the only thing that you could change out to an aftermarket LED bulb. Again, the part number that we use here is T3-7443D-CK. That's C as in Charlie, K as in Kilo. Again, if you guys like the videos, please like and subscribe, as it does help us give you more content. Thank you, you have a great day. Bye-bye.